Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Transform your kitchen into organized, stylish, and highly functional space with these smart storage hacks designed for any kitchen size, from pull-out or drawers to hidden compartments. Each type maximizes your space and reduces clutter, making cooking more enjoyable and efficient. Discover the magic of vertical storage in well-mounted racks with free up counter space and keep essential and textiles with arms reach. These solutions are not just about practicality, they also add sleek touch to your kitchen decor with option in modern finishes and materials. How to use stackable containers for bulk items and find clever ways to organize your species and small appliances. Whether you're working with a large gourmet kitchen or a compact apartment setup, these ideas ensure and make you the most of every inch without sacrificing style. With these storage hacks, you will not only enhance the efficiency of your cooking area, but also create a beautiful, welcoming space together with family and friends. Thanks for watching. First of all, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.